Do you realize that a common construction material could be posing a grave danger to your health? Stick around till the end of this video to fully comprehend the magnitude of this threat. Recent study findings have shed new light on the use of asbestos cement products, revealing that their usage far exceeds safety limits. The study focused on the levels of airborne asbestos from ongoing uses of this material in many countries, painting a concerning picture. When cutting asbestos cement pipes and boards, the exposure levels skyrocket, going over 50 times higher than the short-term limit set by OSHA. This is not an isolated issue. Asbestos cement products account for over 90% of global asbestos use. The alarming statistics don't end there. In the year 2021, over 1.2 million metric tons of asbestos were mined, primarily for asbestos cement applications. But who is behind the production and export of this hazardous substance? The answer is Russia and Kazakhstan, with India, China, and other countries being the largest importers. Let's talk about the people at the coalface, the workers. Thousands of them are exposed to asbestos fibers during the manufacturing and installation of asbestos cement products. The health risks associated with even short-term exposures to asbestos are significant, including lung cancer, asbestosis, and mesothelioma. Now, you may be wondering what can be done about this. The study calls for a global ban on asbestos cement products and stricter regulations. Currently, more than 60 countries have banned asbestos, but the US EPA is only considering a total ban now. The problem is complex and pervasive. The US has aging asbestos water pipes that need replacement, and many countries are grappling with the challenge of removing old asbestos cement pipes and roofing. The lurking danger of asbestos is real and imminent. It's a silent threat that we all need to be aware of, for our sake and for the sake of future generations. To continuously be enlightened, like and subscribe.